Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into Oppo A96. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. And now from the list choose your application, maybe Brawl Stars, for example. Now from the library of our icon, choose your icon, maybe this one like Android. And then when you choose your icon, in the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it and wait a second for generating of new icon. Then need close ads, maybe a few times. And now press add to home screen. And we got success message, so go to our home screen and find our new icon, this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.